Alright, so I made a post a while ago on Facebook saying that tomorrow 5 o'clock I'm going to address this once and for all. I make the post and then you're going to choose to message me and tell me say, you're not care, you're not afraid, you're going to expose me. Alright, since you're not care and you're not afraid, here what more you do. When I go live tomorrow 5 o'clock on Unstoppable TV IG, I am inviting you to come use my platform and expose me. Release me skeletons. Alright, 5 o'clock. Come over on my IG. I'm just going to go live and I'm going to sit down and wait for you to come expose me. Since that is what you say you want to do, I am inviting you to use my platform. Because remember, you know, I have a bigger following, a bigger audience, alright? And whatever exposing you do will get out faster and will go wider when you use my platform. Alright? So, with that said, 5 o'clock tomorrow, I invite you to come expose me. Now, but I just talk. If you say you have my skeletons and you know my secret, seeing, and you send one heap of check back and forth, enough of that now. Come tomorrow, 5 o'clock, I am going to go live on Instagram and I'm going to address this and you are welcome to come talk whatever your claims a skeleton you have. Alright, the whole way of skeletons, you know, difference is if some people care whether them skeletons come out or not. And the other difference is whether the skeleton is extremely serious or not. Alright, so as me say, 5 o'clock, me I go live and you are welcome to come expose me using my platform. Other than that, good night.